Hey, I'm Bill with Anchored Market Ventures. We run the Panama City Farmers Market, Callaway, and Market on the Meadows. Today we're talking about our tips and tricks for vendors. And one of the things that make vendors successful at the farmers market is good signage, whether that's labeling on your product or putting your price out there so vendors or customers know what to expect when they come to your booth. Right here we have some soap. As you can see on the labels, they're bright, they're up front, you can see what it is, but also up here on the top they have signage that lets you know what their prices is, so there's no guessing, no confusion when you come up to the booth. Having good signage, good labels on your product helps increase your sales. It makes the experience a better transactional experience for the customer and for the vendor. So if you want to be successful at the markets, having good labels, good signage is very important. So as you can see, there was a few examples of bright, clear signage that you can see very well. It helps make you a more successful vendor. It makes the customer buying experience better. If you have any concerns or you want any help, please reach out to us at Anchored Market Ventures. We'd be more than glad to help you guys. And as always, if you want to be a vendor, hit us up. Y'all stay blessed.